Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 3-star property. In this video, we will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen from the location, here is some nearby attractions and landmarks. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 6. Category 7. Room category 8. We talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the property is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Details and offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the details, follow the description. If you are facing some kind of problem with this property, then you can tell us by the comment. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe to our channel.